Behind me, it's a brand new 2025 Force River East to West Entrada 220 SC on a Chevy chassis. Because I got some customer, they say, I love Chevy, I want to have a Chevy motorhome. Well, we got it. It's a brand new, we just got it in. This floor plan is #1 selling floor plan for East to West, which is a 22-foot motorhome with a bedroom slide out, a dine-in in the center. Across from it is the kitchen, and in the back you have a queen bed on a slide out, and across from the bedroom you have a bathroom. So as you see, why East to West, they set themselves separate than the other Class C manufacturer, but because what they offer you. #1, full painted cap in the front. So this is one piece aerodynamic cap, and this is painted, not just white like the other competitor. This is sitting on a Chevy chassis, which is why people love the Chevy chassis, is because the doghouse is a short and there's no big doghouse as a Ford. When we go inside, I will point this to you because it's a big deal. Sometimes I lose customers because they say I cannot sit in the Ford chassis, the doghouse too big, and they hit my knees. And I'll show you that. A beautiful big power awning, as you see, it's the power awning with LED light, cover whole motorhome. This fiberglass is gel coated. You see the shiny on it because it's a thicker gel coated fiberglass with the Asdel fiberglass. So there's no delamination whatsoever. This unit come as usual with the 3 cameras. You have one here for the passenger side. You have one on the other side on the driver's side, and one in the back. Full storage. They give you the ladder. It's not like some other brands. They give you Leopard expandable ladder prep. They give you the rear ladder. They give you the rear camera, and they give you a Class 3 hitch in the back with a 7-way plug, so you could pull your jet skis, boats, and or vehicle behind you if you want to. This is the bedroom slide. So the bed is on a slide out with a slide toppers, which is actually cover your slide out and give you full protections. And they don't waste any space. They give you storage underneath and more compartment storage. Endless hot water heater on demand, as you see. And then you have the outside sprayers, city water connections, sandy flush, antifreeze, all of it is right there. Big propane tank. And then you have the Yamaha 4,000 watt generators where you could run everything, and this is state of California certified for carb, no issues. This is the 3rd camera. Easy to get in on the Chevy chassis. Look how beautiful this Chevy. It's very easy. You have a nice handles and you could sit, but it's roomy. So I want you to go inside and show them why people love the 220 on a Chevy chassis and why they're liking it and the extra features and benefit of this motorhome. Coming inside. The reason why people they like Chevy because it has more room in the back here. So when I lean this chair, I have more room for big guys. So big guys, unlike me, they have more room. Now, the main other reason why people they like this one is this. This is a big deal. Why? Because the doghouse on this unit is short. If you notice on the Ford, it's so big. And with big guys, not like me, they have difficulty to get in. But this one, as you could see, I have more room to push the seat back. Easy to get in and to get out. And you don't have the big, humongous cup holder. We call it the doghouse as Ford. Now, typical, they give you a nice stereo.
Totally buy it.
You know, a stereo, a Bluetooth. Also, it has the tow mode if you're towing a trailer behind you or jet skis or boats. You have the 110, and then also the 12 volt. It has also, you could do shifting plus and minus on the gear shift. This is the screen. It is 3 camera, one in the rear, one on the right. Like if I do, notice I'm doing the other side is showing the guy, and then I could see this one is showing. So I could see all these cameras, the 3 of them, the one in the back and the one on the side, no question asked. So that's the reason why people they like the seat sometimes on the Chevy. Some people they liking it, and that's the reason why we have both. We have the Chevy and the Ford, and they're both same price. We have them on special for $79.9 brand new East to West Entrada 220 S or the 2200. Exactly. 2200 is mean Ford, 220 is mean Chevy. Now, the nice features is the height in this motorhome is so roomy for big, tall people. When you walk in, you have a nice dinette. And one thing I need to remind you on this dinette is there's no legs whatsoever. So your knees is open, and there's no, like some of them, they have a post in the middle. So it's easy. And then this one is very, it's on a shock. I'll show you how quick and easy. Voila. And then I could push it more if I want, but it's on shock. And if I want to bring it back, put it this way, because the dinette go down on these cushions, become one piece, and then you have all the storage on it. Across from it, I have a full kitchens where you have a nice deep sink with a high-rise faucet, and then extension countertop, 3-burner range, convection microwave. And then when they put the convection microwave, it give me all this open for my silverware and kitchen cooking. Here's, I could put all the cooking pans. Also more here. And then I have a place here. If I want to use this for pantry or whatever I want to put, like game board, that kind of stuff, is very deep. And then you have a 12-volt USB plug in case if you have a iPad or laptop. And the fridge, you have side by 2-door refrigerator and open both sides, and it's the 10.7. And then the bottom you have a freezer, and there's another door here. You could use it as a pantry. Closets, deep. Look how it is. Deep is the closets with the rod. And we have soft closing door for underwear, socks, whatever you want. Then in the back, I have full queen bed, and it's walkable. And you could see I could walk all the way, so I could fix the bed, no problem. I have a place here for TV bracket, so I could put a second TV if I want it. It has the Wi-Fi antenna. That's a big deal. It has separation between the toilet and the showers and the sink. So I have a nice medicine cabinet with the sink and place right there. And then the toilet, I have full privacy. So if I want somebody could use the toilet and somebody could wash hands. No problem with knees, guys, with the big guys. No issue with the knees. And when it's come to the standing showers, look at the height, look at the elbow. And then you have the cover too. So that's another advantage for you. It has even fan. Now, the cap over, this is a really big deal because nobody noticed. This has 2 windows for window circulations. It's set high between the mattress and the ceiling. It comes with a ladder for the upper bunk, and the upper bunk is a true 60 by 80 bed. Give me a second. And then you have a nice 40-inch smart TV on a swing. You could see the dinette. Even you could see it from your kitchen, your bed. The kids sleeping here, they could enjoy it. And then they have a place for USB plugs and their toys. There's speakers inside, speakers outside with the stereo. And Bluetooth, by the way. Now, this extension is on a spring shock. I could bring them in. Solar panel. Everybody asked me, did this unit come with solar? Yes, it's right here. Solar panel. Battery disconnect switch. This is the switch for the awning. Easy to get in. No worry about electric step is going to pop in your knee, legs, and hurt. It's loaded. This is a beautiful 22-foot Class C motorhome on a Chevy chassis, loaded from east to west Entrada. Just coming in. Where are you going to find a motorhome with a slide out, with all these amenities for $79.9 brand new, only at Best RV, and no hidden fees. Everybody charge you extended stay packages, get ready packages, dealer prep fees. Best RV has none. Zippo will be wash, clean, prep, full walkthrough, full orientation, turn ignition, going camping. All this preparation, zero we took from you free.